Luxury fashion often hides a story few people ever see. What looks premium on the outside begins its journey inside an unexpected place: the factory. Snake leather is one of the most exclusive materials used in luxury fashion. Its natural patterns and rarity make it extremely valuable. Before processing begins, each snake skin is carefully sourced from licensed facilities, following strict international regulations.
All right, bring it down. Watch the alignment on this side.
Inside the factory, inspection is critical. Even a small defect can reduce the value of the leather. Only premium-grade skins move forward. Raw snake skins cannot be processed immediately. They must be cleaned, preserved, and protected from decay. This step ensures durability and quality. Tanning is the most important stage. This process transforms raw skin into flexible, long-lasting luxury leather. After tanning, the leather is carefully dried and flattened. Precision is essential to protect the delicate scale structure. Color defines the final luxury appeal. Each skin is dyed evenly to achieve rich, premium tones demanded by fashion brands. Before export, every piece undergoes final quality control. Only flawless leather is approved for luxury production. Once approved, the leather is shipped to fashion houses around the world.
This is only part 1. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment part 2 if you want to see how the luxury jacket is completed.